What is up guys, TechSrack here, and today we're gonna review the Canon EOS 1100D. The subjects that we're going to look into are the shutter, flash, tripod, exposure, and at the very end we're going to talk a bit about the pros and cons about this product.
So by having the wheel set to AV, you will be able to switch the shutter. So by holding down this button and spinning this wheel, you will be able to change it, as you can see right here. The F is what symbolizes that it's the AV number. So in order to adjust the exposure, you really need to turn this wheel to TV. And once you've done that, it should say so at the screen, and then you just turn the wheel on top and it should adjust accordingly. Underneath the camera there's a small hatch that you can open. Behind it you'll be able to see the battery and SD card input. In order to put the SD card in, you just need to align it with the input, push the card in, and you should hear a click. Once that's done, you just close the hatch and you should be able to start up the camera and use it as normal.
This here is a tripod, and what you use that for is to get a much more steadier picture. It is also essential when you're taking the picture with a long exposure. As you can see here, I took two pictures with the same amount of exposure. The first one is without the tripod and the second one is.
The flash is what allows you to take exceptionally brighter pictures. When you have it enabled, it automatically flashes bright light when you take pictures. In order to demonstrate this, we took two pictures, one with the flash and one without it. As you can see, the first picture was taken without the use of flash. There's not much special about it other than that there's a lot of shadows both in the background and on the person's face. On the other picture, however, everything is just illuminated. This makes the picture way too bright and is overall just not recommended, especially not when taking portraits.
Now to the pros and cons. So let's just start about the pros. And overall, this camera is quite a good starter camera. It's also very cheap, and it's around $370. As I said, it's a very overall good and easy camera to use. Now over to the cons. It's around 5 years old. It's not very suitable for the experts, and the battery life does not last very long.